I finally did my hair after 4 good months. Stay tuned. Life updates. I've been extremely busy. I know that guys have missed me on YouTube, right? So I've been busy, but nonetheless, here we are. So I was applying gel on my hair, on my edges for the longest, my hair for the longest. But that's because I did my wedding and all of that. So for the cut, for the trad, for the bridal shower, for the white wedding, I was using gel. I did not, fix frontal or the likes because I felt, my hair is long enough. What's the need of fixing frontal for this special event when I can just slay my edges, slay my hair itself and move on with my life? So yeah, that was what I did. And if I tell you that gel had a negative impact on my hair, it definitely did. I cannot even start off with the itching. It was so itchy. Like once I, apply it and use it for the event and I don't wash it off almost immediately after the event, I start itching my scalp terribly. So that alone was really, really a lot to handle. Then at some point I was having like a bald spot around here in particular. I was having like bald spots and it was just a lot to take in. But nonetheless, I want to take matters into my own hands. I need to revive my hair again and all of that. I lost hair because there were frequent detangling of my hair, frequent stretching, frequent taking care of and all of that. Like my hair was manipulated over and over again. But nonetheless, this is my cue to take matters into my own hands since the events have been concluded. So I want to make cornrows. I don't want to make anything tedious. I want to make cornrows. I allowed my scalp to breathe for a while. So yeah, that's where I'm heading off to. Yeah. Trying to detangle my hair, so I've sprayed water and I'm applying leave-in conditioner. So yeah, hopefully I do that on time. I'm gonna make my cornrows. Like I would always say, always detangle your hair in sections. So after spraying water on your whole hair, right, and you apply leave-in conditioner, separate a section to detangle, then you continue the whole process. So you guys already know my take on detangling your hair before going for any salon appointment. So I, for one, I am a preacher of you need to detangle your hair very well before you go to the salon. This would actually save you a whole lot. First off, it will help to reduce any form of breakage or hair shedding, right? Once you're able to handle your hair in sessions, you're sure that 90% of your work is done. And one thing about detangling your hair is that it helps you to easily handle it very, very smooth and all of that. And you're sure that nobody's going to, pull your hair, nobody's going to, force your hair while detangling and all of that. So once I'm done working a session, I will just, twist it and, unravel it at the end of the day. So this is what I do most times before I have my salon appointment. It goes a long way. So once I'm done, straight to the salon, I move. So like I said, my hair has been going through a lot. I've been using gel way too much than normal, and it has had like an adverse effect on my hair. That is why I would urge you not to use too much gel on your edges. If you don't want to lose your edge line, ensure that you don't use too much gel around your edges, right? Because it would rip off your edges. I'm speaking from experience. I use gel on my hair for like 4 to 5 occasions, so I know what I'm saying. And I'm not talking small gel, I'm talking about putting it in large quantity. So if you're like me, that you have an event or you have series of events and all of that, be prepared for what will come after using gel back to back. So that is what I would advise you, that it's not every time you slick your edges. It's not every time at all. So if you want to learn more about how you can preserve your edges, how to grow back your edges if you've lost it due to the use of frequent use of gel or whatnot, I have an ebook and the link is in the description box. Do well to get it. But my hair is still, fair, but just I've been having like excessive shedding. That's what I noticed in recent times, and I need to get back to using my DIYs, my Verdict herbs, my oil, my butters, my hairspray and the rest. I need to get my hair back. I don't want to lose way more than I have done in recent times, and I will take you guys through the journey. But in the meantime, let's go and make cornrows. I'm trying not to do too much on my hair. I'm trying to do low manipulative hairstyle. I don't want to do any form of attachment yet, but I just want to focus more on cornrows, mini braids, mini twists, whatnot. I need to get my hair snatched. But yeah, my hair is still full to an extent, but it's not like the way it used to be. You guys on this page know how my hair usually be, right? I'm sure you guys know. I'm sure you do. Well, nonetheless, this is what we're working with. This is the present state of my hair, and yeah, I'm grateful. So far so good. At least I don't have like too much bald spots on my hair, and this is something that is workable. I'll just try to use everything I have put in my ebook to revive my hair, to get it back to where it was and even more better than where it was. And you guys should just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this content to more people. And let's just say we are back. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we are back. I have been MIA for a while, so yeah, you guys just stay tuned. On today's episode, I would actually be going to a new salon. I've not been there before. I will be going there today in this vlog, so you really need to stay tuned and tell me what you guys feel about the cornrow. Do you feel it was neatly done? Do you feel like it was really, really nice? Like, just give me your feedback. And voila, that's just basically it. So I'm done detangling, and this is me in the salon. And yeah, I'm trying out this salon for the first time, like I earlier mentioned, and I must say she was quite gentle with the hair. She tried to pick as much strands as she could. It was not tight, it did not feel heavy. I was not having headache after the whole process. Like, everything was just seamless. It was seamless, right? So just stay tuned to the end of this video. I actually missed you guys on YouTube. I actually do. I missed you guys. Well, let's say we're back, and hopefully I am more consistent as I've always been. And voila, this is just me, myself, and I. Yeah. Vlogging in public is something that I feel I need to master. Like, it took me a while for me to get these clips. Like, I just told myself that I need to get these clips. I'm a content creator. I need to get content for my viewers. I need to shun off any form of shyness, any form of, oh, people are looking at me and all of that. I need to bring out that camera and, girl, record it. Record the content. This is what your viewers want to see. A day in your life, a day when you do your cornrows, a day when you go to a new salon. I just had no choice but to bring out my camera, and yeah, so this is it. My hair is looking all snatched. Look at my forehead. Look at my forehead. But yeah, we're done here, and you'll see the finished look in 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is it. Well put together. My hair has actually grown. It has grown. Anyway, I'll see you in my next vlog. Subscribe.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. They call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.